Leading an OR is challenging. On one hand, you have surgeons who are constantly requesting more OR access, and you're worried they're taking their cases to your competitors. On the other hand, you have surgeons who are only using a portion of the block time they've been allocated. And unfortunately, when block time is released back to the OR, it's often at the last minute, which forces your team to scramble to fill the time with any available case. Meanwhile, you're facing corporate pressures to not just grow the overall business, but to grow strategically important service lines as well. On top of all this, your team is burned out. How can you possibly balance all of these competing priorities? The Cuventis perioperative solution addresses these challenges using modern innovations in artificial intelligence, machine learning, and behavioral science. First, it ingests EHR data in real time and uses sophisticated machine learning algorithms to predict when block time will not be used, weeks in advance. Then it automatically nudges the surgeons that own these blocks, using principles of behavioral science to incentivize them to release the time to their colleagues or back to the OR. But the system really stands out as an engine for growth. As soon as any time becomes available, artificial intelligence predicts which surgeon will be the best fit based on past practice patterns and health system priorities, such as service line growth or robotic utilization. Then the system automatically notifies the best fit surgeons that the new times are available. To further drive growth, it provides an easy-to-use portal that allows any surgeon, whether employed or independent, to see and request times in the OR that best fit their needs, all in a matter of seconds. Finally, the solution closes the loop, providing actionable insights that enable OR teams and surgeons to understand in detail what actions they can take to sustain their improvements and continue their growth trajectory. All of this comes together so seamlessly that it feels like magic. With the Cuventis perioperative solution, you can achieve truly transformative results. You can proactively release unused blocks weeks in advance, improve revenue by more than $3 million per facility, add over 1 case per month per OR as you automatically grow surgical volumes, improve alignment with your surgeons, increasing access for surgeons without block, and improving utilization for those with block. And finally, accelerate achievement of your health system's strategic goals. To learn more about how you can transform your surgical enterprise, visit cuventis.com/perioperative. Cuventis, simplifying how healthcare operates.